Number 10, we have two logarithms that are being added together. So this is definitely going to be the product rule. So I want to combine these. So this is log base 9 of x minus 5 times x plus 3 is equal to 1. And when we multiply those, that's going to be a FOIL problem. And once you FOIL those, you should get x squared minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1. And then we want to transform it. And just to kind of talk about this, we do want to transform it anytime you have a logarithm on one side and then something on the other side that's not a logarithm. So that's kind of when we know to do that. So this will be 9 raised to the 1 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 15. And a common mistake is to try and factor this right now. I don't want to do that. That would actually just get me back to the x minus 5, x plus 3. I want to bring the 9 over first. So we can't factor or shouldn't factor until everything is on one side and 0 is on the other. So this will be x squared minus 2x minus 24. And then we can factor. So this is going to be x minus 6 and x plus 4. Which that means that x is going to be equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 4. Now we do need to check these. So if you check 6 into this one, 6 minus 5 is 1, that's okay. 6 plus 3 is 9, that's okay. So that means that we can keep 6 as a solution. With negative 4, I want to try that in here, and negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9, so that's not okay, and it wouldn't work in the other one either. So negative 4, I do want to throw this out. So in general, your logarithm or your logarithmic equations, they could have one solution, they could have two solutions. It is possible that they might not have any solutions. You would just put no solution if that's the case. So it could happen where both of your answers don't work.